So today we are going to solve Codeforces round 906 division 2 second problem, that is Qingshan loves strings. So here is the problem statement. Qingshan has a string S while Daniel has a string T. Both strings only contain 0 and 1. So both strings only contain characters 0 and character 1. Okay. A string A of length k is good if and only if ai not equal to ai plus 1. Okay, so a string is good. A string is considered good if no two adjacent characters are equal. Okay, means both means adjacent characters throughout the string should be unequal. Okay, so yeah. So for example, 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 are good, while 1 1 1 0 0 1 are not good. Okay, so Kingston wants to make S good. To do this, C can do the following operation any number of times. Insert T to any position of S. Okay, so Kingston wants to make string good. So C is inserting string T to string S at any position. Okay, na? So please tell Kingston if it is possible to make S good. Okay, so we have to check whether we can make S good or not by inserting string T. Okay, so let's check the logic behind this. So okay. So if your string S is already like this 1 0 1 0 1 0, okay, means adjacent characters are not equal. So simply you can print yes because it is already in the form that no two adjacent characters are equal. Okay, so you can directly print yes. Okay, else if your string T which you are going to insert in string S, okay, if your string T first character and last character are unequal, okay, so you will print no. Why you will print no? Because look, you are inserting t in S. Okay, and when will you insert t in S? When two adjacent characters of S are same. Okay, suppose two adjacent characters of S are 0 0. Okay, then you are going to insert t in this between these two 0 0, so that they become unequal. Okay, so if your T starts with or ends with different characters, either 0 or 1, okay. Suppose starting character is 0 and ending character is 1, okay. Then if you insert this in this 0 0, then one will become 1 and 0, but the other one will become 0 and 0. Then you cannot solve your problem, okay now. So if you're inserting string that is T, if this T first character and last character are unequal, then you have to print no, because it is not possible to make your string S alternative. Okay, so you will print here no. Else, if your inserting string have repeating characters, okay. So if you are inserting such string which already have repeating characters, then you cannot make your string such that two adjacent characters have unequal characters. Okay, so suppose these two characters 0 0 are equal. Okay, and if you insert this string in your S, then again your S will become updated, but still that S have two adjacent characters equal. Okay, so in this case also you have to print no. Okay, else, so if these two T cases are no, then what is the case which we are remaining with? We are remaining with that T have both starting and ending characters are same, either 0 0 or 1 1, and between these two characters, all the characters are alternating, means 1 0 1 0 or 0 1 0 1 type. Okay, so we are left with this case. Okay, and if we are left with this case, then you can see here that if if suppose your S have 0 0 type characters, okay, if two zeros are at the adjacent positions, then if you will insert this type of string which have ending characters 1 1, then you can sort your problem. Okay, but if you will insert this string which have starting and ending characters 0 0, then you cannot solve your problem. Okay, so if S have 0 0 type repeating characters, and if your T have starting and ending characters 1, okay, then your answer should be answer should be yes. Otherwise, your answer should be no. Similarly, if if your S have 1 1 type repeating characters, and if your T have starting character and ending character 0 0, then you can insert it here and you can solve your problem. Okay, and you can print yes. But if your T have starting character 1 and ending character 1, and if you will insert in this 1 and 1, then you cannot solve your problem, because again 1 1 will be repeating. Okay, will be at the adjacent positions. Okay, so yeah, so this is the basic logic behind this. So let's check the code. So I have just checked here in the first string, S1 string, that if two characters are equal, if two adjacent characters are equal, okay. So if those characters are zero, then I am counting here zero, and if those two characters are one, then I am counting here as flag one. Okay. So that I can get how many number of repeating units are there. Okay. Now, if flag 0 and addition of flag 0 and flag 1 is 0, means there are no any repeating characters, then we can simply print yes, which is the first case. Okay. That is all characters are alternating. Okay. Then we will simply print yes. So that this is the basic if condition. Else if second string first character and second string last character are unequal, then you have to print no. This is the second one. Okay. Then we will print no. Okay. Now if else else we are going to check that if S2 string, this T strings have alternating characters or not. Sorry, if this T have uh, repeating characters or not. Suppose 0 0 or 1 1. Okay. So here is the for loop for this. This is the for loop for this S2. That is if S2J equal to S2J plus 1. That is I am checking that I am checking here that if 0 0 is present in T or not, or 1 1 is present in T or not. If this is present, then I am simply breaking the loop and I am simply printing it no. Okay. And if it is not present there, then I am going in this last condition, this else condition. Okay. And in this else condition, what was the logic? The logic was that if flag 0 is 0, means there are no repeating characters of 0. Okay. Then your repeating character is this one, 1 1. Okay. So if 1 1 is there, then you have to check that your second string have starting and ending character 0. So if S2 0 is 0, then you have to print yes, otherwise you have to print no. Okay. And else if flag 1 equal to 0, means your 1 1 unit is not there. So 0 0 unit was there. Okay. This 0 0 unit was there. Okay. So if 0 0 unit was there, then if your second string have starting character and ending character 1, then you have to print yes. Okay. So if S2 0 equal to 1, then you have to print yes. Otherwise, you have to print no. Okay. And if these two cases are fulfilled, then still one case is remaining. That if what was the last case? The last case was that your S, if your S is something like this. Sorry, if your T is something like this. 00110101. Okay. So okay, sorry. If your S is something like this, okay. If your S is like this, 10101, okay, and 00, then 1010, then 11. Okay. So if your S is something like this, so that this both 00, this 00 and this 1 1 is present. That both 00 and 1 1 is present there. Okay. So here your answer will be no. Why your answer will be no? Because you have only one type of T string. Okay. Which have either starting and ending characters 1 or starting and ending characters 0. Then if you insert any of these two here, then then the rest one will invalid your condition. Okay. If you are inserting your 00 and making it so that it satisfy the condition, then your 1 1 unit will not satisfy the condition. Okay. So that's why for this condition we will print no. So this is the basic last one, else see out no. So this is the basic logic behind this. I hope all of you understood this. Still, if you have any doubt, you can comment down below. Thank you.